Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to my channel Cooking with Chilli. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share it, and you can comment it as well. As don't forget to hit the bell icon. Today I'm going to make a really delicious and yummy food. It's a momo and it's a traditional Nepali famous food. So let's start. So here's the ingredients that I will use. I'm going to use lots of vegetables. So this is here. This is a plain flour. I'm using 200 gram of plain flour and chopped tomatoes 100 gram and 2 chilies and chopped onion and garlic and garam masala, cumin and coriander powder and ginger garlic paste, chili powder, turmeric powder, salt and cabbage. And this is 200 gram of cabbage. I grated it. And this is mushroom. It's around 100 gram and I chopped it. And this is a carrot. It's around 50 gram. I grated it. And this is a 2 large onion. I chopped it. And this is a coriander, chopped coriander. So some of the oil. I'm going to make a momo in 3 steps. First will be the stuffing for the momo, and second will be the dipping sauce for momo, and third will be dough, to make a dough for the momo. So let's begin. This step, I'm going to put all the grated vegetables, cabbage and mushroom and carrot, and I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of salt. So now I'm going to mix it. And leave this for 5 minutes so that all the water from the cabbage, carrots and mushroom, we will squeeze it and get rid of the excess of water we don't want. So leave it for 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. Here I am using a white cloth and I'm going to pour all the ingredients, all the stuffing. Now I will show you. So squeeze and squeeze like this, as you can see. So we don't want to get rid of all the water. Some of it we just want to take it away. And we're gonna put this back again. Now I'm going to add all the masala. I will use half teaspoon of salt because I already used the salt, so make sure you will not put lots of salt. And then turmeric powder, garam masala, half teaspoon, cumin and coriander powder, 1 teaspoon, and chili powder, half teaspoon, and then I'm going to add chopped onion, and then I'm going to add ginger and garlic paste. And I'm going to add some chopped coriander. So now I'm going to heat the pan. It's hot. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. So when the oil is hot, I'm going to pour this oil in the stuffing. Okay, it's hot. I'm going to put on top of this masala like this, and I'm going to marinate it. You have to mix well so that all the dry masala, garlic and ginger paste, that will mix properly. This is how we need to do. So it's ready. The stuffing is ready. Now I'm going to make sauce for the momo, dipping sauce. Okay, for the second step, I'm going to make sauce, dipping sauce for momo. I'm going to make a tomato sauce. So I'm putting 1 teaspoon of oil and I'm putting 1 clove of garlic and then 1/2 inch of ginger. It's chopped. And I'm going to put chopped onion and saute it for a while for 1 minute. And after that, I'm going to put all the dry masala. Half teaspoon of jeera powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, and 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, and salt, 1/2 teaspoon, and stir it. And after 30 seconds, you can put chopped tomato, as well as you can put chili. So now you can cook until the tomato will be soft. So at least we need to cook 3 to 4 minutes. Now it's been 4 minutes, and as you can see, tomato is cooked, it's soft. Now I'm going to add chopped coriander. Now what I will do is I will leave it for, turn off the gas, and I will leave it for 5 minutes or 10 minutes until it will cool down, and then I'm going to blend it. Okay, the third step I'm going to do is making a dough. And you have to put oil to make a dough soft. So I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of oil, and now I'm going to make a dough. So now the dough is ready. So I'm going to put 1/2 teaspoon of oil, just a little bit, on top of it. And then I will leave this dough to rest for 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes. Let's check the dough. It's now soft. I'm going to make a small balls. You have to make a small balls like this, not a big. Like this. I have made some of balls. Now I'm going to roll it. Dip it in the flour and I can roll it. You can see you need to make this much size, around shape. I'm going to roll other dough. So I made some of this dough, the roti, and then here is the stuffing that we prepared before, and I got this steamer. I'm going to steam a momo, and I'm going to make a momo now. And don't forget to spray oil here so that the momo will not stick. So make sure you will put the oil in the dish. So now I'm going to show you how to make momo. So let's take a roti and take some stuffing, and you need to close it like this. Like this. Like this. So I'm going to show you again. Yeah, this, 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 like this, yeah. If you can't do it in one time, you can practice again and again, and you will be able to do it. So I'm going to make all of the momo now. Okay, as you can see, I made the momo like this. Now I'm going to steam it. So the gas is on. I'm going to add some water. Then I'm going to put this here, and it's ready for steam, cook. And meanwhile, this sauce that I made is cool now, and I'm going to put it in a mixie jar, and now I'm going to blend it. Okay, I blend it, and this is how it looks like. I'll put it on a bowl. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Let's see, it's cooked well. You have to steam at least 15 to 20 minutes. Then the vegetable inside the momo will cook properly. So I'm going to serve this. Okay. It looks like this, really yummy and tasty momos, and you're gonna serve with a sauce. I hope you will like this recipe. Please try at home, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like my video, share it, and you can press the bell icon as well. Also, you will see all the ingredients that I use in this Veg Mo Mo in the description box. So see you for now, and I hope I will meet you in the next recipe. Thank you. Bye bye.